everyone, myself Push. I have chosen fingerprint number activity for for assignment 2 uh, mathematics activities for preschoolers. I have already printed 1 to 5 on this white sheet, and I'm gonna choose 5 different variant colors like purple, pink, green, orange and red. I'm gonna pour them all on this plate, and then I will dip my finger and make the fingerprints as a counting numbers, like one fingerprint, then two fingerprints, three fingerprints, four fingerprints, and five fingerprints. So then they could be like counted as two, like one, like see, one, two, one, two, three, one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five. I chose this activity because I feel that it's an easy way to introduce numbers to the kids, and we can print these numbers on the sheets before and can distribute it among the kids, and then we can invite them to choose their own color if they want to choose one color, or if they want to choose like all different colors. It's all their choice, and make that impressions in front of the numbers, and then all together we will count, and then they will be easily familiar with the numbers, like 1 as a count, and then 2 as a count, and 3 as a count, and 4 as a count, and 5 as a count. So let's begin the activity. I'm gonna pour all these paints in the plate, little. We can use brush even to make the prints on our finger. For that, I will put one by one because I like to do it, and if you guys want to put them all together once before on your plates, it's up to you. So I will put my finger in that, and I'll make an impression like this, and I will put that on the sheet like this. So here we go, and we'll put it back, and then we will clean it with the wet wipe. It's easy way, neat and clean way. So as I used an orange, I'll keep it on a side. I will use now the pink, the red one. I'll use a very little because we don't need much color, cause we are just going to make 2 impressions out of it. So I'll dip my finger well on that, and then I will put one impression here, and as I have a color on it, I can use the same as 2, but I would like to dip it well, and then 2 impressions over there. So we can ask our students like how many count it is, like 1, and what's that number, 1, and how many is in the count is this 1, 2, and what's the number, it's 2. So now I'll again wipe my finger, and then I will put a pink color in there. So I just really poured much. I feel we don't need that much, and then again I will dip my finger in there, and then I'll put 1 impression, 2 impression, and 3 impression. See, we don't need to dip it again and again. One dip in the color can make multiple impressions. And here we go, and I clean my finger again, and I will use my favorite color now, which is purple. Okay, here we go, and we'll dip our finger in the purple, and we will make impressions. Which number comes next? It's a 4. So how many impressions are we going to make? Like 1, 2, 3. Maybe I need to dip it with the color again. It goes 4. Here we go, 4. And then again I will clean my finger like, and I will use the green color which is left. It's also a nice color, I like it. And I would love to use the safe colors, so I choose these colors which are safe for the kids. They are watercolors. If they go on our clothes or if they go on our table, can be easily wiped off. So which number is the next number on my sheet, which is 5? I'll dip my finger in that and I will make 5 impressions out of it. 1, 2, 3, and here we go, 4, and then 5. Yes. So like this, we have done numbers, and it's a nice fine activity which is my favorite and like it. When I saw okay maths activities and the numbers, I felt this will be the easiest one and a good one to choose for the performance. I have chosen many others. I have made some laminated activities for sorting and all such stuff, but I felt this activity would be good for the presentation, so I chose this. And I did it in my in my um, in my practicum too, in the daycare, and the kids love it. And at the end, we can ask them the open-ended questions like, what's the first number? It's a 1. Can someone count it? So how many impressions? 1. And then we can also ask open-ended questions like, which is the color of the impression, which is orange. And then we can say, okay, can anybody answer for what's the next number? So it's the second, so it's number 2. And then, oh yeah, second, and then it says number second, and a number is also 2. Obviously, we are doing the numbers, the counting. And then what's the color of the impressions? It's a red. And how many impressions are there? 1 and 2. And what's next? Can anybody tell like that? Like it's 3, 1, 2, 3. And what's the next number? It's 4. And how many impressions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what next is 5. How many impressions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So like this, I really felt it a very innovative and a nice idea to introduce numbers to the preschoolers. I have performed it with the kids in a daycare for 3 to 5, and it's good. Okay, if we are introducing it with the year 2 too. I know some of them they start speaking too, and then they can speak with us. It will be an introductory information for them. I hope you would have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much.